Hey, how you doing? I recently celebrated another orbit around the sun, and to commemorate this yearly progression, I got a new camera, the Canon 3000D, and it's awesome. It's an entry-level DSLR with just a basic kit lens for now, but it's incredible. I've been working it hard for the last few days, of course, taking as many photos as I can and just generally testing its capabilities. I didn't get this camera to just become an astrophotographer. I did get this camera to advance my photography hobby, of course, but to also make better observations of the sky. All the photos I'm showing you here in this video are the ones I've taken, of course, in the last 4 days. I even captured a meteor while I was doing one of my time lapses. The sky is a huge part of our observable world, so it makes sense to the type of videos I make to be able to make better observations of the sky. Yes, it's heaps of fun taking photos like these, but for the purposes of my channel, I got the camera so I can also make time lapses of the sky just like this one. This will help me show the apparent motion of the sky from my location on the globe, and so I can observe and record the changing view of the sky due to the rotation of the Earth and its orbit around the Sun. I'm super excited by how far I can push this camera, and I can't wait to show you all the video I'm working on. As always, thanks heaps for watching, stay safe out there, and see you later.